still in there, is it? Yeah, cool.
Val's thrown a shirt over it.
Yeah, okay.
So you'll see, just go straight, and then to the right, you'll see there's a shirt on the ground covering it.
Okay.
And it's got itself in a piece of netting.
Yep. Let's have a look. Yeah. Do you have a pair of scissors at all?
Yeah.
That's the problem with these bird net stuff, or the fruit trees net got. And we'll get tangled in it. So himself wedged in there really well. I'll try to get most of it off and pin the snake and get it off. It gets so tight it actually cuts them and does damage. There's his head right there. Some scissors and
Watch it both, because I'm not
Okay.
sure how
Thanks.
sharp those scissors are, but those
let's see if that works.
nippers are really sharp.
There's your head.
I think it's pinned into the netting.
Over here, yep. Try to cut bulk of this off.
So he's got his head turned.
Oh, yep.
It's just there.
Let's be over. Just pass me that. I'm going to try to get his head over there, pin him. You want to just hold that there, like that. Got it? If you let it go, it's going to bite me. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Let's cut this away. It's pretty cold, so it's not very...
Yeah, it's definitely not warmed up yet. No.
Yeah.
I guess really it was pretty lucky it didn't get super cold last night.
Yeah, that's it. Got him?
Yeah.
Just don't let him go. Almost there. Alright, take the hook off.
So is that a tiger or
A dugite.
dugite?
Yeah. So it's got a bit of
Yeah.
Bit of damage there from
Yeah,
the
you
net.
can see, yeah, where it was all wrapped up.
But yeah, that'll all heal up
Yeah,
in time.
oh, good. I'm glad he's alright.
Yeah, definitely. Just bring that pot closer. Come on, buddy. Go on there. That's it.